Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To print a list, open the list to print and then click the button in the lower left corner of the list window. From the pop-up menu that appears, select the Print List command. If, however, you are trying to print either the customers and jobs, vendors, or employees lists, instead click the Print drop-down button at the top of the respective center and choose the name of the list from the drop-down menu that appears. Next, click the OK button to bypass the List Reports message and then set your printing settings in the dialog box that appears. Finally, click the Print button to print the list.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.